This segment of Career Connections is sponsored by Hoxworth Blood Center.
Hoxworth has a tripart mission. As part of the University of Cincinnati, we have an education pillar, we have a clinical service pillar, and we have a research pillar. Without blood, hospitals really can't function. Blood is an essential element, critical for all patients to come through. It's one of the most common procedures is blood transfusion, and without an adequate blood supply, you really can't treat cancer patients, you can't treat trauma patients, you can't treat pregnant patients. All patients that come through at some point or another may need blood.
Well, my favorite part of working here is literally saving lives every day. You get to leave here fulfilled. You don't just come in and just take care of people and get to leave. What you do at the end of the day, you know benefited somebody some way, somehow.
I love just the experience of working with the people, working with our volunteers. Those are the biggest perks for me. It feels like just the greatest field trip that you could go on, and for a job you just did not expect that.
For someone who's exploring job opportunities and just isn't sure what they want to do yet, I think Hoxworth is a good place to explore and see if there's something that's available that'll fit your interests and help you develop your career as you go along. We are a nonprofit organization. We're not here just to make money. We're not here to satisfy the needs of a board of directors or stakeholders who are trying to make money off of what we're doing. It's just very unique in terms of a career space.
I love my job. I wouldn't be here if I didn't. I mean, this is great for me. I love what we do and I love what we stand for. You'll spend approximately 5 weeks in training in-house, learning everything that we do here. Once you're done with that, then we'll bring you out in the field and you'll be trained as well. So it's very, very extensive. It's easy to learn. It's just have to take your time. Everything will be great. We teach you how to properly draw blood from donors.
I know one thing that I've been able to see in the many donations that I've given is the training that Hoxworth as an organization gives to their employees. The phlebotomists, as new employees have come in, and typically that's because people have been promoted through the organization. The new phlebotomists come in and I see them on the whole blood stations getting their training, and so I can tell very directly that Hoxworth is committed to training their employees and also providing promotional opportunities.
Being promoted here at Hoxworth is relatively common because as long as you're working hard, you're knowledgeable within your processes and procedures at the company, you're going to move up the ladder here.
I absolutely love working at Hoxworth. It humbles you. It is a job where you know that you're doing good in the community and you know that people need what you are providing. It's a great career to have. Outside of the benefits of you get free schooling because you're working for the University of Cincinnati, we have really good, insurance and things. You also have donors and people that you meet that make a big difference in your life.
So one of the great things at working with Hoxworth is a lot of people don't want to work in a hospital setting. This is kind of the best of all worlds where you can come, work at Hoxworth, work with healthy donors who are all coming in to help patients in need. It's a fantastic place to come and work and to be part of the community.
The impact that we have, we're saving lives. We're making a difference. We're the reason why people are having holidays with their family. People are having birthdays. Their lives are we are the reason their lives are being saved in our community.
One of the things that gets me up to go to work in the morning and get excited is knowing there's always a chance that you're going to get the call that a 3-year-old is receiving a new heart today, or a patient who has been on dialysis for 5 years is finally getting a new kidney. It's really rewarding, and it makes you want to continue working so hard because you know who you're serving.
I absolutely love working here at Hoxworth Blood Center. The impact that we have on our community every day, I see it, I hear it, and I'm all about it.
You can leave your work day knowing that you have made a difference. There's someone that you are encountering that you may never know You know, you're in a grocery store. There's someone in a grocery store, there's someone somewhere that have been impacted by what Hoxworth does. If it's not them, it's been their family member, a loved one, a friend, someone in our life has been impacted by blood donations.